What if one of the most iconic American cars of all time came back? Not as a retro remake, but as a bold vision of the future. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air, a concept that blends classic American luxury with cutting-edge modern design. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a futuristic auto show, but look closer and you will see clear DNA from the legendary Bel Air name. Today, we are going to break down this stunning car, explore its design, interior, and the hidden details that make it so special. And trust me, there is one detail near the end that might completely change how you see modern Chevrolet design. Let us start with the front design, because this is where the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air immediately demands attention. The face is wide, low, and extremely confident. A thin, continuous LED light bar stretches across the front, giving the car a sharp and modern expression. Right in the center, the Chevrolet bow tie proudly sits, reminding us that this is still a Chevy, even though it looks like it belongs in the next decade. The hood is long and sculpted, a clear tribute to classic American cruisers. But instead of soft curves, Chevrolet has chosen bold lines and sharp angles, making the car look aggressive yet elegant. This combination creates a strong curiosity trigger. Is this Bel Air more about luxury cruising, or does it secretly hide a performance-focused personality? Chevrolet leaves that question open, and that is exactly what makes this design so interesting. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 Bel Air looks long, low, and incredibly sleek. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, creating a coupe-like silhouette that feels both retro and futuristic. The chrome accents along the sides subtly reference classic Bel Air styling, but they are cleaner and more minimal, fitting perfectly with modern design trends. The wheels are large, polished, and visually striking, filling the wheel arches perfectly. They give the car a planted stance, making it look stable and powerful even when standing still. From this angle, the Bel Air feels like a luxury grand tourer, designed for smooth highways and long-distance comfort rather than aggressive track performance. But again, Chevrolet keeps us guessing, and that mystery keeps viewers engaged. Now let us talk about the rear design, where nostalgia and innovation truly meet. The back of the car features a full-width LED light strip, echoing the front design and creating a strong visual identity. The Bel Air script on the trunk is a beautiful touch, instantly connecting this futuristic machine to its legendary past. The rear bumper is clean and sculpted, with aerodynamic elements that suggest efficiency and stability. There are no traditional exhaust tips visible, which raises an important question. Is this Bel Air fully electric, or is Chevrolet simply hiding a new kind of hybrid or electric-assisted powertrain? This unanswered question acts as another curiosity trigger, keeping audiences thinking and commenting long after the video ends. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. The first thing you notice is the wide digital dashboard that stretches across the cabin. Everything is clean, modern, and driver-focused, with clear digital displays showing speed, navigation, and vehicle information in a very intuitive way. The steering wheel features a modern Chevrolet logo and a futuristic shape, blending physical controls with touch-sensitive surfaces. The center console is sleek and minimal, emphasizing simplicity and high-end materials rather than clutter. The seats are finished in a rich combination of red and cream leather, quilted for extra comfort and style. This interior design clearly targets drivers who value comfort, elegance, and a premium driving experience. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, creating a warm and sophisticated atmosphere, especially during night drives. What really stands out here is how Chevrolet balances technology with emotion. The interior does not feel cold or overly digital. Instead, it feels welcoming, luxurious, and proudly American, just like the original Bel Air was in its time. So what does the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air truly represent? It is not just a car. It is a statement. It shows how Chevrolet could honor its heritage without being trapped by it. This concept suggests a future where classic names return with bold new identities, designed for a new generation of drivers. And here is the final curiosity trigger. If Chevrolet decided to bring this Bel Air into production, would you want it to stay as a luxury electric cruiser, or would you want a powerful performance version as well? That single question could define the future direction of iconic nameplates in the automotive world.